Welcome to another ABS online video. Let's go and find out what we're going to learn today. Well, here we are again, and it's already week 9. These weeks do go by very quickly. Do you remember last week? Have a think. It was a disaster. Oh, not the lesson. No, the lessons always go great. Mainly because you guys are so good. The topic. That's right. Last week we had a new topic. What kind of disaster? Well, our new topic is natural disasters. And last week we talked about earthquakes. These can be really, really horrible. We had some special words as well. Do you remember what kind of words did we look at? We used a lot of adverbs. That's right. Do you remember any of them? Well, we're going to see a lot more. So, what do adverbs do? Like lots of words, they help us. They help us say more. But what about adverbs? Adverbs give us more information about a verb or adjective. So, we've used lots of verbs before. Words like run, sing. So the adverb tells us some more. What about adjectives? Well, adjectives are words like big, long. Last week we had 19 adverbs. So you can see we use these words a lot. They really bring English to life. They tell us so much more about what we can see. Could you use them all? Well, I hope some of them were new. I hope some of them you already knew. What is it this week? It's still all bad. So that sounds like another natural disaster. Actually, it's worse. Oh dear. Worse than an earthquake. Actually. There's the first adverb of the week. 3. Great. We're already up and running. Hold on. Don't worry about adverbs. What can be worse than an earthquake? Oh dear. More homework? No. You forget to eat your lunch? No. It's going to be something really bad. You're right. Sorry. No more adverbs. Not at the moment. This week we are going to talk about super strong winds. But we really do mean super strong winds. Super strong winds? Well, okay, that isn't the correct name, but there are different terms in different parts of the world. We will use several, but that's for next time. Next time, we will look at the words we can use to describe super strong winds. And we'll look at how damaging they can be. But we have to save that for next time. Okay guys, see you soon. Bye. Thank you for watching our video today. Please don't forget, subscribe, and that will help us to make lots more videos for you. Thank you. Bye.